Okay, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Um, this is Sunhao from Huawei Cloud Latin America team. And it's a great honor to attend this event. Thanks for the invitation and thanks for all of you for listening my speech. So today, the topic of my presentation is drive into digital innovation and creating new value together. So first, I'd like to share some ideas about the digital and intelligent transformation. So based on the current digital transformation process of governments and enterprises, we have summarized the uh, following three phases. And the first one is the offline to online transformation. So in this period, actually cloud played an important role to replace offline hardware and allow companies to do virtually implement. Okay, so the second one is the um, data-based phases. So in this period, the enterprises, governments, and different organizations can focus on creating a big data infrastructure, right, to collect online data and to implement data visualization and to create data insight based on the big data reports. So with the rise of new technologies, the digital transformation has gradually moved to the third phase, the phase of intelligent transformation. Technologies such as like 5G, AI, and IoT are used to continuously improve efficiency of the generation and processing of intelligent data. So with the increasing penetration of digital transformation in all industry, we can see that the digital economy is becoming a very important drive of economic growth in many countries. So according to a report from the Oxford Economics, the digital economy has become the main engine of the growth, not only for the growth of the digital industry itself, but also for the growth of the whole society. So one interesting find out is that every dollar investment in digital technologies can bring about $3 of industry growth. In China, for example, the digital economy accounted for about a third of GDP in 2019, but contributed two-thirds of growth. So by entering to the third phase of digital transformation, which we call the intelligent transformation, the digital economy of China will continue accelerate the country's economic growth. So we do believe the same thing is happening also here in Latin America. And we can see that the governments and enterprises are preparing themselves right now for this phase of intelligent transformation in order to achieve the efficient growth. So, from our point of view, we believe that the foundation of the digital economy is connectivity and computing. For example, 5G and IoT, we know are connectivity technologies, and cloud and AI represent computing technologies. According to the famous Moore's law, computing power becomes stronger and cheaper over time. In another side, the value of the network will increase over time when the number of connections grow rapidly. So we do believe the combination of optimized computing power multiplying the increased number of connections means the strength of the digital economy. With the convergence of connectivity and computing, it becomes possible for enterprises, governments, and all kinds of organizations to enter the intelligent transformation phase. This will transform industries such as financing industry, right? And also transportations, logistics, retail, and energy, for example, to create new values for the whole society. So we know that the intelligent transformation actually sounds like pretty attractive, right? But we also know that when we go to that direction, there will be actually several challenges that we have to face and conquer. We think the first one will from the edge and the devices. As more entities adopt intelligent transformation, there will be various types of terminals and different environments to be used. In the intelligent area, the data in this is complex and isolated terminals need to be better coordinated and make sure the algorithms in different devices can catch more useful data and create modules which allows the data flow easily. And the second challenge will be connectivity. We know that the existing physical connections cannot meet requirements of different industry scenarios. These requirements include like high standard of bandwidth, low latency, huge number of connections, and industry specifications. The existing physical connections, in many cases, also need to have an upgrade to make sure that people, things, applications, and the data can be connected all the time and with a quick response. And the third challenge is of application and the data. For example, how to break data silos and make the data interworks between departments, how to enable the interworking between current and new applications, how to simplify the evolution of current applications and the development of new applications. All will be a huge issue for most of the organizations. And the fourth one is to create a synergy between AI application and industry knowledge. We have to combine the advantage technology like AI with the corresponding industry knowledge to make full use of the intelligence and bring value to the industry revolution. So talking about intelligent or digital transformation, we can see that the financial industry actually is leading the digital upgrade of the whole society. Um, for We understand like in the new step of the digital transformation in the finance industry, we can see that there are many very good practices from all over the world, right? For example, we know that some cases, for example, from Asia area, like the SPD Bank, the Shanghai Pudong Development Bank, they are like driving the transformation from the serving the people to serving the things. And also for the WeBank, they are make they are making the development from the open architecture to serve hundreds of millions of customers. So we can see that although different industry, they are in the different transformation period. The finance industry is leading the whole digital transformation for the serving the people to serving the things. And also, we can see that the different financial entities also they are moving towards all scenario smart finance. So all the innovations that we can see here from Huawei point of view, we want to work together with the whole financial industry, including banking and fintech, to create the all scenario smart finance. So talking about the all scenario smart finance, there are actually three keywords, right? The first word is all scenario, which is like from different kind of industries, they can work together with the banking and fintechs to help them to do the digital transformation. And also the second word is the smart. Smart include mainly means the AI. Like we want to work together with the finance industry to use AI technology help the whole industry and the society to improve the efficiency. And the third keyword is the ecosystem, which we have worked with several like partners from finance industry to build an open ecosystem to help more banking and more fintech companies to conquer the difficulties that I have mentioned before in the digital transformation phases. So Talking about the Huawei Cloud part, to reach all scenarios, smart finance, we have been working with the whole industry, right, to connect not only people but also things and applications. For example, talking about connecting people, uh, maybe some of you already know that Huawei, we have the Huawei Device Cloud, which include several applications like Huawei Wallet, like Huawei Music, and video and gamings. So right now, over Huawei Device Cloud, we have already more than 580 millions of active users, monthly active users. So with this platform, we can help our customer to our 2B customer actually to connect the 2C users. So uh, with all these applications, well, we are working with our finance customers, right, to open our capability to reach the end users and help them to understand better their customer behavior. And talking about the connecting applications, actually right now, Huawei is like we have more than 150,000 applications connected to our Huawei Cloud platform using the Huawei Roma Connect service. So all this will help our finance customer and other industry customers to connect different applications and help them to improve the application integration efficiency by more than 50%. And the last part is connecting things. So mainly for connecting things, it's about Huawei IoT platform that we start to help our customers to have different sensors connect the physical world with the virtual world. When we talk about the IoT service, actually right now we have already more than 300 million devices connected, and we are working with more than 3,500 IoT partners to help hundreds of millions of devices to connect with our platform. And also with the Huawei, like our application services like WeLink, the cloud meeting, the IoT and CDN services. So all this will help to improve the connectivity and help our finance customer to build like all scenario connections and improve the customer experience. So the next part, I'd like to share some updates about Huawei Cloud globally and especially in Latin America. As you can see here, currently, um, especially from last year, we have reached like very good progress in the global and Latin America market. Currently in China, we are the number two cloud service provider. And last Q4, we are ranking number four in Latin America market. And regarding to the footprint of Huawei Cloud, actually, as you can see here, we already have presence not only in China, but also in almost all the continent, including Asia, Europe, uh, Africa, and especially in Latin America. As you can see here, we are providing like three principal nodes in Mexico, Santiago de Chile, and also São Paulo of Brazil. So by this footprint, we believe we can deliver a very like complete coverage for the whole customers in Latin America and help our customer go to other continent. Uh, the portfolio, I think maybe some of you already seen our portfolio before in some like events or occasions. So with the experience, technology, and innovation accumulated over last 30 years, Huawei Cloud offers customer like everything as a service. Uh, we can grow your company in the best environment with services most safe, secure, and constant improving. And we are dedicated to providing a powerful computing and development platform that is easier to use. So currently, over Huawei Cloud, we are providing more than 210 services and solutions, including computing, storage, networking, application management, software development, and artificial intelligence, for example. So also, as I mentioned before, so we are working to bring more new services and technologies to the local nodes in Latin America. So for the next part, I'd like to share some uh, like key advantage that we think Huawei Cloud can bring to the financial industry in Latin America, and especially to the fintech companies of the whole. The first one, we believe our key point is the local coverage, right? So Huawei Cloud uh, commit to continuously increase our investment in Latin America. We think Latin America is one of the most key region for Huawei. So by the second quarter of 2020 of this year, we already launched two new AZs in Latin America, one in São Paulo and another one in Santiago de Chile. And we can see that currently Huawei is one of the cloud service provider with the largest number of regions in Latin America. And with the three regions and eight AZs, we can provide the high availability for our finance and fintech customers. And in addition, we are building like new POPs to simplify the service exercise. Today, like on the last Friday, actually, in the Huawei Connect, we have announced that our Mexico region will launch a new data center to provide the fastest connection for Mexico and Central America customers. So the second one is the local compliance. We understand that the security and reliability of the cloud platform is a super important topic for the whole IT team of any kind of company. So Huawei Cloud, we offer different levels of security, from physical security of equipment and the network to virtualization and service security. And currently, we have more than 70 certifications from different international organizations, including the LGPD of Brazil. So we believe that with the innovative services and security capability, we can support the rapid growth of all the financial industry of Latin America. And the third one is about the local support service. So I think I also mentioned have local teams, not only commercial team, but also technical team in almost all the countries in Latin America. So the first level of the support service that we are providing is from our local support team. And also we have the regional support center located in Mexico, which can offer the 24/7 technical support in language from like English, Spanish, and Portuguese. So regarding to the the last part regarding to the local ecosystem, um, Huawei Cloud, we have the concept of like co-creation, sharing, and win-win concept with our partner and our customers. So we work with different partners together to enable the industry's digital transformation and intelligent upgrade. We also think we are born in Latin America and grow in Latin America. So we attach great importance to the development of local partners. So in Latin America, currently, we have uh, more than 1,000 consulting partners and more than 200 technical partners to work together with our customers to support their digital transformation. So based on the trust from the partners and customers, we can like have the business result, like I mentioned before, to rank in the number 4 in Latin America public cloud market. So um, in addition, our partner ecosystem like also include the consulting and the technical partners. And in this year, we also launched our Spark program, right? As you can see in this page, like we have announced an investment of more than $10 million innovation funds in Latin America to help the different kind of startups, including the fintech startups, to develop their projects and realize their uh, plan in the market. And we also hope that more and more technical innovation partners can join us together to help the industry innovation in Latin America. Um, uh, by the financial ecosystem, we hope to build a scenario-centric financial ecosystem, build a scenario-based ecosystem, and work with our customers and partners to build an like a financial ecosystem in the whole Latin America. So we can see that almost all the industry in the world are ecosystem centric industry with long-term and huge market space. So in the following years, Huawei Cloud is also willing to work with all of the finance industry to build an open ecosystem. And in addition to the rich ecosystem with Huawei Cloud, we have launched like more than 4,500 applications to provide rich 2B oriented solutions for the financial industry. And as I mentioned before, in the Huawei device cloud ecosystem, uh, we also have a large number of partners and more than 580 80 million monthly active users. So with all these flexible and innovative applications, we can further expand the two C market in the financial industry. So one is the 2B and another one is the 2C. So we hope to fully integrate the 2B and the 2C market. And on Huawei Cloud, no matter you are choosing Huawei Cloud services or using Huawei device cloud services, we achieve a unified ecosystem and unified experience. So you can just use one account to access to both Huawei Cloud and Huawei Device Cloud to have the similar service and the same experience, right? So um, at the end, I'd like to invite you to also try Huawei Cloud. If you interested, you can scan the code, register to try the service. Uh, that is all my presentation. Thank you.
Gracias a Sunhao por su presencia. Thank you very much. No cabe duda que en la cuarta revolución industrial la capacidad de innovar es el diferenciador de toda organización y su catalizador es la digitalización. And now the audience has a question for you. It will be,
Okay.
which are, for example, 3 key points to accelerate digital innovation inside and out?
The three key points we believe that the one is the technology part, right? So for the digital transformation, we believe like the key technologies, like I mentioned in the presentation, including 5G, AI, IoT, and also the different kind of big data services to support the company's digital transformation. And the second part we believe is also very important is about uh, uh, the culture innovation. So the company's culture also is like the key factor to drive the your own digital transformation. And the third part, like I also mentioned in the presentation, we think is the industry knowledge. Like not only the technology will support the development of the transformation, but also the industry knowledge, how to combine the digital knowledge together with the technology, like the AI service. This is the key for not only finance, but also for the whole industry to drive the, we call it intelligent transformation. Yeah.
Thank you, Sunhao. It was a pleasure. Till the next time.
Thank you. Thank you.